All right, we move on, folks. So how much do our Smile fans know about pregnancy and a child's development? It's time to find out if mother knows best. So let's meet our contestants. As they would say, come on down, Danielle Chambers McIntosh. Where is she? Where's Danielle? Come in, Danielle. Danielle look like she knows plenty of things. Come to this side, Danielle. Good morning. Welcome. How are you?
I'm good,
and
thank you.
We also have Sadia Wint. Where is Sadia? Is it Sadia or Sadia?
Sadia.
Yes, Sadia, I got it right. All right, you come. So one of you going to stay here and one going to stay right here, close enough to the bell. So the rules are very simple. The first person to buzz, guess correctly, gets 2 points. The winner walks away with a brand new microwave on a spa day. Eh? All right, come Clivus Divers. Ask the questions here now. Want to know things? Want to know things?
I know some.
Yeah? Your moms?
Yes, I am.
Well, you're not supposed to know. How many? Boys, girls?
I have one boy.
One daughter?
1 year old, yeah.
1 year old?
Yes.
Congrats, Mamacita. And
One boy, 12 years old.
12?
Yes.
You're a big man. Eh? So you probably forget everything about baby then, can't you? Eh? Fantastic. All right, so we have to make sure you are equidistant and you don't try to think. So you have to buzz, Buzz first. Then it's not easy. All right, so which is the first sense a baby acquires after birth?
Hearing.
Durr.
Seeing.
Durr. Well, put up the answer, please. The sense of touch. When you don't get no points. All right. This one I actually did not know, and I read it recently enough. True or false? Are babies born without kneecaps?
Yes, they are.
True or
True.
false?
Oh, sorry. True.
All right, so babies are born without kneecaps. They instead have cartilage that later turns into bone as babies grow and develop. And that went to Danielle. So 2 points to Danielle. Question number 3. Danielle, I use that for you. Question number 3. At what age a baby can smile, socially, at 6 to 8 weeks or 3 to 4 months? And this comes from Sadia.
4 months.
Dirk. The answer is, and we will put it up there in a second, anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks after birth. Question number 4. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
At what age do babies start having actual tears? At birth or at 1 month old?
1 month.
Danielle said 1 month. It said babies start crying at birth, but babies start having tears by 1 month. Danielle, gone again. All right. There's the answer right there. And number 5, this is between Sadia and Danielle. How long does an average pregnancy last? Sadia.
38 weeks.
How much?
38 to 40 weeks.
Sadia said 38 to 40. Well, it's approximately 40. No, sir. All right. Sadia, use her head. So what's the score now? 2-1?
Yes.
2-1. It's 4-2. Oh, because you get 2 points, so it's 4-2, yeah. All right. So again, wait until I give you all the challenges here. What is the greatest amount of children born to one woman? Wait now. 22, 35, 69, or 25? 22, 35, 69, or 25?
Say 25.
25? Make I explain this to you now. According to historical reports between 1725 and 1765, a Russian woman gave birth to a total of 69 children.
Wow.
She had a total of 27 births, 16 pairs of twins, 7 sets of triplets, and 4 sets of quadruplets.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Christopher Stieser. 69? Anything can go, so? All right, again, I'm going to give you an ABCD. When do children first play with other children cooperatively? At 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years? Daniel.
6 months.
Daniel says 6 months. Yeah, give you a chance. 2 years? Sadia said 2 years.
Okay.
How much that now?
2.
4-4.
Yes.
4-4. All right. Question number 8. At what age is a child considered a toddler? 8 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 6 months?
2 years.
2 years? No.
Could you repeat the options?
The option is 8 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 6 months.
8 months.
8 months. No.
1.
1, but you get to wrong already. Answer is 1 year. Question number 9. Ay, Daniel. Babies have about how many taste buds? 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, or 8,000?
Yeah, hint?
No, know the answer.
8,000. I would say.
You say 8,000?
Give me the other options, please.
1,000, 5,000, 10,000, or 8,000?
Oh my God. Which one is it?
She said
Can I get a hint, please?
well, is more than 5.
10,000.
Is 10,000.
10,000.
But you're wrong already.
Yeah.
Question number 10. Research shows that babies born in what month are the heaviest? Is it August, April, December, or May? Okay, Marmy, I hear you.
Go again.
August, April, December, or May? This show is soon done, you know. All right, it is May. The answer is May, because none of them know what bounce the thing. We're moving on. Question number 11. Rolling over is not a natural born reflex of a baby. True or false?
False.
True.
Well, I can't give you because it's either true or false.
Well, I
And she
was
said
gonna
false.
say true.
If it wrong, she... All right, the last question, and this one will break the tie. True or false? Up to 7 months, a baby can breathe and swallow at the same time.
True.
The winner and still champion is Daniel. And Daniel, right there, the microwave is yours. But Sadia, Daniel, leave the people empty now. Sadia, thanks for coming. And that's yours also.
Thank you.
You are most
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
It's a, what is it? It's a petty spa, it is. And you get gift certificates from Adam and Eve. So thanks to Adam and Eve.
So much.
And God bless you and your child.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
God bless your family. And thanks for coming.
Thank you so
for
much.
having me.
Thank you.
Mother's Day. All right, so Daniel Chambers, the winner. Daniel Chambers, Macintosh, and Sadia Wint. After the break, we discuss navigating parenting in modern times. Well, soon come.